Two halves of Islam. The first part of the supplication is a request to Allah, the Exalted, to provide one with the ability to perform all good deeds and abandon all sins. This is an all-encompassing statement, as these two can be considered two halves of Islam. Whoever is granted this will succeed in this world and the next, through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. The first thing to note is that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is teaching Muslims the importance of understanding that the inspiration, knowledge, strength and opportunity to perform righteous deeds and refrain from sins all come from Allah, the Exalted. Understanding this will keep a Muslim far from pride, as an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. The good deeds mentioned in this supplication include all those actions which please Allah, the Exalted, and which brings one closer to the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. It includes the actions which are obligatory, such as the obligatory prayer, the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and other recommended actions. Refraining from sins include all the actions which Allah, the Exalted, dislikes and takes one far from His mercy. This includes both major sins, which are forgiven through sincere repentance, and minor sins, which can be erased by performing righteous deeds. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 31.
If you avoid the major sins which you are forbidden, we will remove from you your lesser sins, and admit you to a noble entrance into paradise.
It can be understood that this supplication includes a sincere intention to please Allah, the Exalted, through one's actions, whether it is performing righteous deeds or refraining from sins, as deeds only hold value when done with a good intention. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.